Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the skid mark daily challenge of 5th August 2021. Here this is the problem they have given function insert linked list. So we just need to do something like we just need to insert these two linked list. They have given two linked list and they have given a position like here too. So we just need to remove add this second link list to this position. So we will get something like 10, 15, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 25, 30 like that. So what we need to do is, let me check what they have already defined. So they have defined a head 1, tail 1, head 2 and tail 2. Okay. And they have created a code for appending first list, and they have used the same code and used the same different name of the function. I don't know why. For the second list, and then they have get a code for get node, so which will give the exact position of the node, and they have given a function for displaying the node, and they have already called all those things. We just need to insert the linked list. So they have given head and tail of first node and head and tail of second node, and they have already given a index which are position where the node should be inserted. So we just need to link this next to the given position and this next to the given position, so we will get z, which is nothing but the linked list. So we will get all those linked list linked. Oh, come on. I'm going to specify the word list instead of doing linked list. That sucks. Struct star node. I don't know why they have defined all those things without using a typedef keyword. And they have used the same logic for two functions with different names. Instead of they have just passed the head and tail. I don't know. ஐடியா இல்லாத பசங்களா இருக்காங்க. Star insert linked list, which is nothing but the one they have given here. So I'm bad at typing, so let me copy and paste those values to just get rid of some shitty errors. Struct star node, this should be node star head 1, and struct, come on, it just started doing the same thing. Struct node star head 2, and then the integer value k, int k. So what we just need to do is, we just need to get the kth node, right? They have already defined the name kth node, so I'm going to go with the same thing, or I can just use the variable k. Struct node, let me remove the pointer here, star node k equal to get node of the header 1 at the position k. So this will return the kth node of the head. So this will given a duplicate pointer for this place. So we just need to add this add this after this, and then we just need this thing to be connected, right? To that purpose I'm going to specify another structure, struct node star next to k, which is nothing but a next of kth node. I can either use something like get node of head 1 k plus 1, or else I can just go with the node arrow k arrow next. So this will be the time saving moment, I guess. So now we got the both position. We just need to add the head 2 after this node, and then the rest of the thing after the node k. Finally we can return the head 1. So node k arrow next equal to head 2. So this will make a connection between this to this. After that we just make a connection from this to this, right? We have already defined the value next to k. Head, no, this should be tail 2 arrow next equal to next to k. Finally we just need to return head 1. Hope this will work fine. Let me check that. Clear screen, gcc main.c. We didn't get any compilation error. That's a great thing to have. And I'm executing this for the values 5, 4, 2, 5. This will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be on the next node. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 elements, and then I'm specifying 4 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just need to add the index after 1. So 1. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is nothing but a desired output. We just link this one with 2, 3, 4, 5, and then link this 6, 7, 8 with 5. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.